In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up in-store pickup on your Shopify store. If you're running a brick-and-mortar business alongside your online Shopify store, offering in-store pickup can be a fantastic way to attract local customers who prefer picking up their orders themselves. Now, let's dive into the process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. You can do this by opening your web browser and logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, you'll see the My Store option on the home page. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Next up, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you should see a button labeled Settings. It's usually at the lower part of the sidebar, and clicking this will open up a list of all the settings you can adjust for your store. Once you've opened the settings, look for the option titled Shipping and Delivery. This is where all your shipping configurations are managed, from adding shipping zones to setting up delivery methods. A simple click on Shipping and Delivery takes you to the page where we'll focus our attention next. On the Shipping and Delivery page, scroll until you see the section for shipping methods. Here, among different options, you'll find Pickup in Store. This feature allows your customers to choose to pick up their orders directly from your physical location instead of having their items shipped. Click on Pickup in Store, and you'll notice that it prompts you with a Setup button. Go ahead and click that. This will guide you through the process of enabling the pickup option. Once you're in the setup phase, Shopify will provide fields for you to enter specific details about your store's pickup location. Here, you can set the pickup instructions, business hours, and any other necessary information that your customers might need to know when they come to collect their items. Be sure to provide clear and concise instructions to avoid any confusion for your customers. That's essentially it. You have now successfully added in-store pickup to your Shopify store. Offering this option not only increases customer convenience, but also helps in building customer loyalty, as they know they have the flexibility to decide how they want to receive their orders. Remember, this feature can also greatly benefit local customers who would prefer saving on shipping costs and picking up their purchases themselves. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of the video if you need further clarification, and as always, thanks for watching. Good luck with your Shopify endeavors, and don't hesitate to explore further enhancements to keep customers happy and engaged.